Hey there, YouTube. Welcome to Big Mike Beard Wisdom. So, a while ago, I bought this Black Flag bug zapper, and it's done amazing. So I've had a couple videos on it, showing how much stuff we caught, showing how to clean it, and then also when we had that giant moth land on it, which was pretty cool. But it's time now to change out the lure that comes with it. So you're able to buy these separately, and I bought 2 of them, just in case. And it's a big package, but when you actually get down to it, it's kind of a small little lure, but it has probably a huge effect. So I don't know how much the lure adds to how well the bug zapper's been doing, but it's been awesome. I just got done spraying this out again, and it's been a month. So it's time to change out this little lure. And all it is just 2 little fingers on the backside. So really, you could clip this on just about anything that you wanted to, that you're able to get those little hooks around and onto. It clips on pretty good, and then it kind of holds on really well on these, which is why I think, like, even though we had some really good storms, it didn't have a problem staying put. And they were some pretty exciting storms. So the new one's pretty simple. Just open up the bag, clip it on, and change it out in 30 days. But the big thing that I would say is, though, from handling it before, so last time I touched that and was outside for a prolonged period of time, I didn't wash my hands, and I almost immediately had a bug bite on that hand. So I would recommend washing your hands after putting it on, just so that you don't have the lure on your hand if you're going to be outside. So on the right's the new lure, on the left is the old one. I don't see a whole lot of difference between them, except the old one looks dirty. And then same thing when viewed from the backside. So when you look at it from the backside, same thing, looks about the same. But pretty simple. All you gotta do, put it on, kind of rock it back, that way it hooks in. She's in place. Good to go. Now go wash my hands before a mosquito finds me. So pretty simple to swap out. And if it helps the bug zapper do a little bit better, I'm all about it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to like and subscribe. I'll check you next time.